How to change the default phone app dialer on your Galaxy A15 smartphone. So if you don't like the Samsung original phone dialer app, you got another one from the Play Store and you want to set that as your default dialer, here's where you can go to do this. Wherever you are, you can use the quick panel access, tap on the settings right there, this little icon right up here at the top right, and this will take you into the main settings of your Samsung phone. You can use the search settings here and type in these words right there, default apps. When you do this, as you're typing it, you're gonna see this suggestion right here. You'll tap on that one time and it'll flash to tell you where to go next. As I tap on this here now, this is where all the default app settings are, and you'll go to the phone app itself. So if you have any compatible apps from the Play Store, you'll see the other one here and you can select it. In some cases, it may ask you to restart your phone so that it can fully use it. And you can also come back here and change these settings at any given time, like and sub.